sometimes you come across those property that you're on the fence on, and you just need someone else to say, "Hey, let's go for it." You know, I think I trust you and Jill's expertise in this particular environment. So I'm going to be sending you guys more in the future.
I'll tell you what, Jill and I love to partnership deals with people who have been in career path. So if anybody needs, funding on a deal where it makes sense, like that gas station property, Ike, I would have done that deal with you all day. Whatever happened with that?
We're currently getting a survey. We increased the price. So the property right next door, with a restaurant on the property. So the property next door sold for $600,000 with a restaurant on it. So I contacted the agent, talked to the agent. That particular land is only for neighborhood shopping. So you can only put restaurant. You can't put anything else but restaurant, grocery stores, or something that the neighborhood can actually shop at. So we increased the price to $399,000. So $400,000.
Great.
So he thinks now we can start basically getting some folks looking at the property, and we might actually get an offer sometime in the future. So we listed it with the agent that sold the restaurant for about $600,000. Right next door.
To have consistent deal flow, how many monthly mailers do you think need to be sent out?
It's really interesting you asked that, because I was going to go around the room on the regular session today and ask everybody to really honestly give an honest answer about how much mail we're all sending out. Jill and I probably send out, I don't know, 10,000 a month, Jill-ish.
It
Something
ebbs
like
and
that.
flows. Some months we go nuts, and some months we're kind of like catching up or working on other things. So yeah.
It's never 10,000 though. It's like, look, I'm about to release one now with a partner, and it's 50,000 units. And so and then we probably won't send an email for probably 2 months, and then we'll send another one out at the end of 2 months. I expect us to get probably 4 to 8 rocking deals out of that.
Well, I've sent out so far this year, I've sent out 4,000, and I sent it all at one time. So that's only one that I have sent out. I still have some, I think I have 3,500 that I have, banked at offers to owners that I need to get sent out, really. So I just was kind of curious as that, on a monthly basis, or for someone who's not, have a partner where you're in the 50,000 and you wanted somewhat of a consistency, would you look at sending 2,000 a month, 3,000 a month, 5,000 a month, more?
I would say at least 5.
Okay.
I think that's rock bottom, actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. At the bottom is 5. To have and you have to be really consistent. Like on the first of the month, 5,000 units are going out. You could be busy, but then before too long, it needs to be 10, because you're just getting better and better at it.